Edith Bias 11 asks, we have a month-to-month agreement, and do they need to sign the exemption, and how soon can you raise the rent thereafter? Well, Edith, I'm assuming that your lease or rental agreement may be older than July 1st, 2020. The good news is if your lease is was entered into or renewed before July 1st, 2020, under the Tenants Protection Act, all you need to do to your tenant is give them a written notice with the exemption disclosure in it. That's in the video, for the separate but alienable exemption under the Tenants Protection Act. That's single family homes, in like layman's terms. The legalese term is separate and alienable. You get an exemption under the Tenants Protection Act if you have one dwelling unit, one deed, basically. That's the rule. And as long as you're not a corporation or a REIT. So your lease is older than July 1st, 2020. If you did not provide the disclosure to your tenant, you just print out a notice. Basically, you can print out a piece of paper and just send it to your tenant with that exact language in it and sign it, and you should be fine. Landlords that have leases that have been entered into after July 1st, on July 1st, 2020, or after, or you renew your contract, like you just redo all the terms, you have to have an addendum to the lease that has that disclosure, and both parties need to execute it, acknowledging receipt of it. So hopefully that answers your question, Edith. That one's probably pretty simple, and a lot of landlords have old leases just like yours, so that's a really quick fix. So just send out notice, okay? Hopefully that helps. Take care.